Hi there. Well, the first thing we need to do is to click on the Apple logo and select System Preferences. Then select Mouse. And if you notice the secondary click label as an option, that's a right click. So we're going to select that, and what you'll see is tapping now on the right side of the mouse gives the same function as a right click. Now let's look at the trackpad. Select Trackpad and secondary click again. You'll notice now the click function can be changed by enabling one finger tap or simply the default, which is to click. There's a click. Notice the finger depresses. Now turning it on, this is a tap. Thanks for watching.